Good morning, good night, and good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. This is what we got today. Nice little bit of plain concrete for Brantos. I'm just helping put it in, so we'll probably go live and show a bit of it, and I'll show you a bit of it, and yeah, enjoy. All right, we got concrete, let's go. Who is it? Borrell? No, Hanson. Hanson, let's go. All right, guys, we got this bit in. All good. And Brant just screwed it off. Gregory here, wheelbarrowed a bit of it in. Pushed some around, got a bit of a sweat up. And Josh here, he's on the bullfight. Bit different style to how we bowl float, but let him go. He's gonna finish it. Not me. Alright, I'm gonna put a little pad in here. So good. Must be that morning sun. We started pouring concrete today at 5:30, which is good. You don't get that very often, especially something like this. I'm going to be able to go home and beat my girlfriend before she goes to work. Literally beat my girlfriend before she goes to work.
You beat your girlfriend before you go to work. Take the must.
Take the must, no, not like that. Spanking. Alright, I'll screw this bit off. Alright, we're just waiting for concrete.
So some of them were pretty close in a while. I predicted 8.4.
I was surprised you got concrete at 5:30 in the morning, mate. That's like, what? About time someone got their balls together and got concrete early enough.
Oh, you don't want to know what I had to
Everyone's
do.
going to hate you now.
You don't want to know what I had to do for a day, mate.
Oh, they got to do them special things, don't they?
Yeah, after hour.
Ching, 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 ching. After hour work. Is that how long it took you? An hour? Holy shit. Alright, we got our next bit of concrete. Let's go, let's go. I want to go back to bed. Alright, we just got this last bit in. It went live on this bit on the private page, so all your members can see. Good bit of screed in there. Finish this off. Feel me having a go here. I did a whole lot, you could say. That's what most people do. Oh, I screwed this bay, I'll help you screed. What, you screwed one bay at a fucking 30?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You missed a bit.
Missed a bit? I'll get it later, that bit.
Can you feel me scrape the excess off the box?
Yeah, we got you, come. Well, let you do your little bit. Make it you did something. Thanks, mate. Awesome work. Yeah.
And we'll be back tomorrow.
Nice and big. Whoa! Yeah. Beautiful.
For about 2 meters. Top.
Alright, I'll walk down.
Too easy, just that.
Beautiful. All right. Beautiful. Ah, well, that's it for my day. I'm going home. make this video and answer some questions. And I'll probably go to the gym and go down the beach probably. Starting to enjoy life again. That's what the go is, eh? Alright. Thanks guys, awesome work. Alright guys, that's it for me today. My day's over. I had to screed that off and that was it. So yeah. That's why it's only a little short video. But if you want to see some live action of this job, go over to my Facebook page and you'll see the live action. Thanks again for all the followers. Thanks again for all the messages. And I'll see you again tomorrow. We're going to do another bit tomorrow and I'll get a bit more for you guys. Thanks again, guys. See ya. Bye.